In the rainforests of New Guinea lives one of nature's most extraordinary birds.
Huntwood. The bird of paradise is famous for its unbelievable colors. Every feather is designed to catch light and attention. Their courtship dances are among the most complex in the animal kingdom. These movements create powerful visual illusions.
It is the female who decides if the performance is worthy.
More than 40 species exist, each with its own unique display. Well, these birds have inspired legends for centuries.
The bird of paradise remains one of nature's greatest masterpieces.